Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the spring outing puppy furniture in Heartopia X Maltese event. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up this menu and I'm going to open the spring outing puppy furniture set. Okay, and go to the exchange store, and here is where you can buy the spring outing puppy furniture. And as you can see guys, that you need to have the thank you card if you want to buy the furniture from here. And to get the thank you card, you need to have group exhibition vote. You can buy them with the heart diamond. But don't worry guys, if you don't have the diamond, you can use your wishing star. You can go to the exchange store and scroll down, and you can buy the thank you card here. But you need to have wishing stars. Okay, you can buy one card with 3 wishing stars, and you can use the thank you card to buy something from this exchange store. You need to purchase them right here. Okay, and this is how the set looks like. And okay guys, that's how you can unlock the spring outing puppy furniture in Heartopia X Maltese. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!